Question is related to number pattern which comes under the section logical reasoning. Such questions are very common in Olympiads and they are relatively tougher, but a little bit of practice will give you an edge over other students. So let us read the question first. The question reads, find out the missing number if the given matrix, if matrix follows certain trend row wise or column wise. So this matrix is following a certain trend and the trend may be row wise or column wise, and you have to figure out the missing number. So let us first try row wise if any relationship can be found, because just by viewing these numbers nothing comes to our mind. So row wise, let us take the first row. It's 37, 23 and 28. Suppose if we add 37 and 23, the first two cells, so it comes out to be 60. So 60 and 28, we can't see any type of relation, so we have done this addition and we are unable to find any relation. So let us now carry out subtraction. So a little bit of trial and error has to be done over here for reaching out to the solution. So 7 minus 3 is 4, 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is 14 and this is 28, and this 28 is equal to 14 multiplied by. So this may seems to be a relation. For confirming, we will try the second row. So it is 54, 32, 44. So what we will do? We will first of all carry out the subtraction between the first two cells, that is 54 minus 32, which is equal to 22, and 22 multiplied by 2 is 44. Yes, the relationship is same. 37 minus 22 is 14 and 14 multiplied by 2 is 28. 54 minus 32 gives you 22 and 22 multiplied by 2 is 44. So similarly for the last row we will solve it. 25, 17. So 25 minus 17 is equal to 8 and 8 multiplied by 2 equal to 16. So number 16 will fit into this blank cell. So what is the relation over here? Difference between the first two numbers in the row and doubling the number will give you the number in the third cell. So 37 minus 23 is 14. 14 into 2 is 28. 54 minus 32 is 22. Multiplied by 2 is 44. Similarly, 25 minus 17 is 8 and 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. So we have arrived at the solution. So option B is the right answer to this question. So for such solving such type of question, you need to have practice, practice and practice. Keep practicing with Decode Monk. Thank you. If our videos and website www.decodemonk.com helped you in any way, you may thank me by subscribing to my channel and clicking the like button. Please remember to share the videos so as to help other fellow students like you. For queries, please comment here or through contact page of our website decodemonk.com. And above all, thank you for your patience.